Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate your standard deviation and your variance in Excel. It's super easy. Will save you a lot of time, but be sure you can calculate it by hand. You can round to the nearest hundredths when you're doing all of your calculations on paper, and it should be very close to what you would get in Excel. So if you want to just try practicing and then checking it in Excel, that would be perfectly fine. So let's just go ahead and look at how to do this. So the range, we don't need Excel. The range would be 37 minus 2, which is 35. All right, so for the population variance, now for the population variance, you have to be careful. The formula is a little bit different for the population variance in Excel. Make sure you choose the right formula. So let's look at it in Excel. Okay, give it a second to open. Alright, so there's our data. So what you want to do is go into a cell and put equals variance, and you'll see that P and the S, the P is the population, the S is the sample. Click on that, and then select your numbers, close your parenthesis, press enter, and then I think we're supposed to round to 2 decimal places. So that would be 0.29. You can even round. I'm in the wrong place here. You can even round. It'll round it for you. So 100.29 will be your population variance. Okay, and then for your standard deviation, go back to your Excel worksheet here. And we're going to, now this is in your PowerPoint if you need to kind of look at the, or you can just put STDEV, standard deviation S, and then standard deviation P is what we need. And let's just see if it works. Okay, so we want to round this to 10.01. You can round it yourself, but Excel is good about doing whatever you ask it to do. Okay, so that's how you calculate your range, your variance, your standard deviation. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Like I said, it's really straightforward. Looking at this problem, the range here, 36, and is your largest number, and negative 19 is your smallest number, and then 36 minus negative 19 would be 55. And then you can do your population variance and your standard deviation. Just let me know if you have any questions.